Hello travellers, this is a review of the MOFT laptop stand, from which I recently supported on Kickstarter. However, MOFT did reach out to me a few days ago and we decided to do a giveaway of a MOFT stand in a colour of your choice, so stay tuned to the end of the video for details on that. The MOFT stand is a great idea when I first saw it and I knew I wanted to try it out. I use a laptop stand while working at home, and the idea of a portable stand that attaches to the laptop directly without adding any extra bulk really appealed to me. It's an easy installation process. You just peel the sticker off the back of the laptop stand and align it to the upper part of the hinge of the laptop. The adhesive is strong and somewhat reusable. You can peel it off and put it back on or onto other laptops without much degradation in the adhesive strength. While using the stand, it is very stable. However, if you press at the top areas of the laptop, like where the escape key is, it does flex a little bit, although this is more apparent in the second lower notch rather than the first. So the upper area does feel a little bit wobbly, but it's definitely not something you'll notice while typing because your wrists are usually on the bottom supporting it and keeping it more stable. The stand has two levels of height adjustment. The first fold is the highest at about 25 degrees and is about 8 centimeters or 3 inches high. The second fold is the lower one at 15 degrees or about 5 centimeters or 2 inches. I prefer the slightly lower notch as I find it more comfortable for typing. The first higher notch is quite comfortable for screen viewing and gives a more comfortable neck position. Typing at the higher position also does feel good, but it's all about personal preference as to which height you'll prefer. The first and highest notch is also slightly more stable in the corners. Finally, at a retail price of about $24 US, it may seem somewhat high, but for the quality of the material and the lightweightness of this laptop stand, I do think it's worth it. It comes in 5 colors. The color I have here is the space gray. It fits any laptop between 11.6 inches to 15.6 inches, and as long as the bottom of the laptop doesn't have any vents where the stand will be placed. So that's it, thanks very much for watching, and be sure to let me know in the comments what you think of this stand and if there's any other similar stands that you use or would suggest. And now to win a MOFT stand, simply click the link in the description to enter. And don't forget to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.